What is happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. And this right here, guys, is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, co-engineered with Leica. And this one is the silver chrome, 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of ROM. ROM? Anyways, I'm quite excited to get this because this has a very powerful camera inside of it. So I'm really curious on how this is going to work out for me as a pro photographer, at least ex-pro photographer. So welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Really curious how this looks. I've seen one in Asia already, but here close in real life and everything is always different, you know? It's always different. So here we go. Ooh. All right. Oh, wow. So that's about it. And here it is. It has a Leica 1-inch main 200 megapixel telephoto and Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, WQHD 1 to 100 Hz AMOLED display, long-lasting 5510 milliamp hour type battery, 90 watts and 80 watts wireless hypercharge, powered by Xiaomi Hyper OS. Ooh, look at this. Jesus. Oh my God. What? Look at it. Look how crazy big this looks. Oh my goodness. To protect your consumer rights, please keep this label intact. All right, I will leave it then. Let's turn it on. In the meantime, while this is turning on, if there's any juice, I'm gonna check out this little box here. SIM card tray, so that's nice. A USB-C to USB-A charging type, and we got a little soft case. Put it on there. Having extra protection is always good to have, right? So got all these small things. This I already got. And that's about it, guys. So that's about what we have here inside of the box itself. So not that much. In the meantime, I'm gonna set it up and then we'll come back to check out the first photos and the first video. All right, guys, so everything is now installed and took around 20 minutes to copy everything over from a different phone. It's still installing the rest of the apps that's still here. But in overall, I have to say the first impression, if you go just swipe through things, and goes really fast and really smooth. So that's really nice. First impression so far, the looks, how it feels in the hand, how it's swiping stuff open and everything, feels really good. So now the photos. So let's take the first photo. Of what? First photo of this little knife thingy. So I have to say already, things are looking really cool. Really nice. So we're gonna do, it can do 8K actually. So let's do 8K, 30 frames per second. Gonna use this. All right, so like so, I guess. All right, guys, what you're seeing right now is on the, I would say Leica, but that's not the Leica, on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra 8K 30 frames per second. The sound is also now from this phone. And now switching over to the normal microphone because I think the phone itself does not have a good microphone. Not sure, but how does it look in this studio-ish environment? I don't know. So that's the first. Take the first like selfie. Can we just use this? No, it will not do that. Take this. Okay, so we got a countdown. First photo. So it does have a countdown, but you don't see it on the back of the camera. So, and now a quick selfie. So far looks pretty good. The actual photos look really nice and the video as well. Alright guys, what you're seeing right now is on the, I would say Leica, but that's not the Leica, on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra 8K 30 frames per second. Alright, so far it looks very promising for outdoor shooting, taking photos, taking videos. So I'm really curious to see how this holds up in the real world. So not in this studio environment. And we're gonna see in a couple of weeks if this is a great device or not. All right, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe if not already. And I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay happy. Good luck.